The other day I was walking out past my truck here and I noticed the tailpipe was hanging low to the ground here, which piqued my curiosity, and I started following the tailpipe, and I noticed that the tailpipe had rusted right off of the muffler, so that's not good. And I also noticed that the bracket that holds it was also not good. So I'm going to make this video here to try and repair it. So here we go. Okay, so the two parts I'm going to use to try and fix the tailpipe there are, I found this guy online. It's a 2.5 inch diameter, I don't know, like a coupling sort of thing, and hopefully I'll be able to connect those. And for the bracket, I found an original one here, and hopefully this works. So let's see how it goes. Okay, we're at the halfway point here. I got the tailpipe off, and I got the bracket off here too. I found it to be easier to just take the tailpipe right off, and this is what the bracket looked like when it came off. You can see it's pretty much beat up, and you can see there's a lot of rust. I mean, it's a 2004, so it has a lot of rust, and I had to bring out the hammer to get the bracket off of the muffler. That's what happened. But you know, we're committed. I'm halfway there, so see how it goes. Okay, just turn it on.